The future isn't a place we reach, it's a skill that we build. A very warm good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Nishtha Tyagi, and it's such a pleasure to be here and doing my third TEDx with all of you out there. Ever since I was a little girl, 17-year-old, I wanted to be everything. I wanted to be an engineer, a doctor, a lawyer, a stylist, a technician. But guess what? Adults around me told me just pick one skill, just pick one domain and be perfect at it. So, what did I do? I picked up a path. What was that path? I developed my resume, I upgraded my degrees, I learned more skills about what would be next. And then came AI. And then after AI, it just flipped all the boxes because we are always taught to be inside the boxes and everything was check, 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 check. Resume developed, degrees learned, everything on point. And after AI, everything just got upside down. And now, when we talk about AI, the new world, okay. Yes, now when we talk about AI in a way that, since childhood we were taught to know all the answers, but in today's era, what is more important is to ask relevant questions, right? We were taught since childhood that we have to be competitive. But now, today, we need to understand to collaborate at work. We were taught since childhood that we need to specialize in a particular domain, but we need to learn to synthesize. And these are the skills which are very much important. You know why? Because jobs are changing. Information is infinite and skills are aging. And what are our systems doing? They are still teaching students the same old pattern and method of studies, isn't it? So with that, another thing that is very much important is that, I have just learned it that it is so important that we all need to upskill with time because things are rapidly changing and AI, we need to learn a lot of things. It's not working actually. And we need to learn a lot of things with time, right? So what are we supposed to do with this? When we are talking about new technology, when we are talking about AI, it is not a destination that we can reach, right? It is a language. And what do we do with the language? Do we memorize it? No. We need to practice it. And how do we practice it? We practice it daily, clumsily, and courageously. And this is how we need to learn and upskill ourselves with time. Now, I have developed a model which is very interesting, which I would like to show with all of you. Being into academician and being an educationist since long, I have developed few of the skills which are the future skills and which are very much important in today's era. So, I would just like to share a model which I have developed on my own, which I call it as LEAP, right? These are the 4 essential skills which are very much important in today's era. What does that do? Because we need to reimagine the future. We need to reimagine the skills. Now for LEAP, L stand for we need to learn, right? How do we learn? How do we need to know to learn, right? Because we need to learn new things about AI. It's not about learning technology. It's not about learning the basic cliche things that are being taught in textbooks. We need to learn meta skills. We need to learn to upskill ourselves in the basis that we can, learn meta skills and various other skills which are very much profound these days, right? With that, when we talk about emotional intelligence, that is again one of the most important skill that is required. And we already know that how important emotional quotient and emotional intelligence is, isn't it? Because the ones who can understand the silence rather than the signals are the most important ones. And this is one skill that I would appreciate the budding managers and the professionals that need to learn. And the third most important thing that I would just like to share with all of you is ambiguity into creativity. There are so many things which are ambiguous, right? But we need to have a courage. We need to have a courage to keep on learning and relearning new things. And how do you relearn any of the new things? You need to have that courage. You need to have that mindset. Keep on learning new things, right? And the third most important thing here is that you need to learn about prompt engineering, right? And how do you learn prompt engineering? How do you do it? Because you need to understand the future, that it is not important to answer all the questions. It is important to ask the relevant questions, and they are the winners in life, right? So when I'm sure that most of you might be using ChatGPT or any other AI platform or tool, right? But the most important catch here is that GPT is not only generating content for you, it is for ideating, it is for prototyping, it is for, you can just have your, you can just stretch your boundaries and your imaginations and think things out of the box. That is the need of art. So this LEAP model, if is built in any of the organization or education institutions, I would highly recommend, because these are the essential skills which are needed. Another thing was that, I had a privilege of mentoring a girl last year. She wanted to be an orator. She wanted to be an amazing public speaker. But one thing that hindered her was her fear. What was her fear? She always used to feel so anxious in front of the public. Why was that? I told her, just for 1 month, sit down at night and spend 1 hour with ChatGPT and keep on asking questions. And guess what? She started her own podcast channel. Isn't it amazing? So what did AI do? Did AI replace her? No. It in fact amplified her voice. And this is why I say that this courage is so important. This is why we need to learn about it. And when we talk about destination, AI is not a destination that you can just be there at any time. It is a language. So you need to practice it and you need to learn about it. And the $1 million question here is that, are we building a future that we can survive on, or we love it? Because resumes are of no use. You need to have reflection on your own selves, right? They are outdated. Don't need to memorize things. You need to have the courage to shape up your skills and face the world. And also, after this LEAP model, I would just like to share and invite all of you with open arms that this era is era of leap intelligence. Because this era is that don't chase the future, leap into it. So I repeat again, ladies and gentlemen, don't chase the era, you need to leap into it. And this is the era of AI that we talk about. You know why? Because the future isn't a place we reach. It's a skill that we build. And how do we build a skill? Gradually, with time, with pace. So with that, I think I will just leave all of you with a thought that we need to learn to leap into the future with AI intelligence, and have a thought in your mind that जिंदगी जीने के लिए जुनून चाहिए, आपके जिस्म में उबलता हुआ वो खून चाहिए, इरादे आपके आगे बढ़ने के हों पर फिर भी इरादों में वो जज्बा, वो बूंद चाहिए. Thank you so much. This is Dr. Nishtha signing off. Thank you.